What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the shop. As you can see behind me, we have a 2021 M4 competition in Brooklyn Gray. This car is here for complete mod transformation. We're gonna be doing wheels, wrap, air suspension, tons of other mods as well. It's gonna look completely different after this. But as you can see right now, the car is really dirty. The customer drove all the way from San Francisco, so you got tons of debris and bugs all over the car, but we're gonna get them taken care of before we start this complete mod transformation. But before we do that, I wanna go ahead and pass the mic over to our technician so we can kind of talk about the process before we get started on this.
What's going on, you guys? Before we continue this video, let me formally introduce myself. My name is Abraham. I am the technician here at AAConceptsCo. Like Anthony stated before, this G82 M4 is in for a treat. It's gonna get a major transformation. This should be something relatively easy since we're really familiar with the G8X platform, but a really, really big project to tackle. So sit back, watch the videos, and embark this journey with us and see the end results. So what's going on, you guys? Welcome back. So today we're gonna get started on this G82 M4. The first thing that we're gonna be starting on it is this armor speed intake. Not only it sounds nice, look nice, but it also adds some performance to the car. Let's get some stock revs in. Get on to unboxing this, see what we have inside. Get little stickers. Almost be stickers, almost be stickers.
Damn.
Wow. Let's check out the hat real quick.
A hat? They gave you a hat, bro?
You gotta show them everything.
Yeah, that's a pretty dope hat, I'm not gonna lie. It's fresh.
They give you swag too, bro.
I know.
Crazy. Oh wow, look at this.
Damn.
Quality on this thing is insane.
It does look pretty sick.
That's one piece of many. Kinda anxious, feel like I'm like a little kid in Christmas right now. This is not even my car.
Just so excited to open up this intake.
Wow, it's one of the shields. Okay. Beautiful, one of the cones is out. Got a little armor speed branding on there. So the size of the cone. Pretty amazing quality.
Intake pipe?
One of the pipes. They packed this thing real good.
Oh yeah, bro, they don't want it to break, right? Damn,
Wow.
Full carbon intake pipe? Shit.
Awesome. Super crazy. It has a serial number for the actual intake. Name and everything, huh? Take a look at the inside.
That looks sick.
Cool. All right, let's lay this out. All right, guys, so now that the stock intake is out, let's go ahead and install this nicer one from AAConceptsCo. All right, you guys, so the intake is now installed. Come and take a look. So much better than stock. So now for the ultimate thing is how it sounds. Let's go ahead and listen to it.
All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for the first series of this build. As you can see, we did install the AAConceptsCo carbon fiber intake. It not only looks really good, it sounds amazing. We have tons of more mods coming for this series. We cannot wait to get started and share this process with you guys. Stay tuned for the next one. You don't wanna miss it.